The student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about virus, like the one of the part of computer security. First, what do you mean by security? Generally, security means to protect from any hazards. So, computer security, these are the softwares or hardwares that protect computer from various hazards. Next, before going to security of the computer system, we must know about the threats to a computer. A threats is anything that cause harm. So, considering computer threats, it is refers to anything that has the potential to cause harm to a computer system. It may damage your computer system, damage primary and secondary memory, damage the operating system. Anything can happen due to threats of the computer. The important threats that affect the important threats that affect the functioning of a computer systems are viruses, worm, Trojan horse, phishing, adware, spamming, spyware, etc. What happens generally we understand viruses means all these things, but viruses is just separate than worm, Trojan horse, etc. So now move to virus. What is virus? What are its role in systems? Virus. It is a program that perform unwanted things to a computer system. For example, if your system affected by a virus, it will repeatedly restart your system, which is due to virus. Sometimes it's corrupt your memory. It is also due to virus. How it spread? Virus कैसे स्प्रेड होता है वो जानना जरूरी है. Generally, viruses are spread through email. As you are receiving email from various sources through internet, certain viruses may be transferred to your email site, and when you open that email, it will automatically install in your computer systems. Then what is the purpose why viruses are created? The only thing is the person who create virus to gain admin control, to steal your sensitive information, to corrupt your system, hack your data, hack means stolen your data, etc. So let's we move to the history of viruses. If you consider the virus, it is first created, computer virus created in the year 1971, and it is called Creeper. It is carried out by Thomas to infect mainframes on ARPANET. ARPANET is a American-based network which is designed for communication between American defense with various research laboratory. So it will display message when this creeper virus affect to a computer system. It will display message as I am the creeper, catch me if you can, and it will repeatedly copied inside, and it's destroy your memory. After that, another virus, elk cloner, which is designed to infect Apple II operating system through floppy disk. Floppy disk, it is another storage media. Nowadays, student, you not seen this floppy disk. Actually, like it is fan drive, it is also a storage media to store data, but it can store up to 1.4 MB data only. So at that time, it was very popular for storing data and taking data from one to another place. So this elk cloner virus is designed to infect Apple II operating system, which is carried out through floppy disks. It is developed by Richard Skrenta in the year 1982. The first theory about computer virus and experiment was written by Fred Cohen in the year 1983. In this book, he writes about the various ill effect of viruses to the computer system and how to remove virus from your computer systems. Next, types of viruses. So, a computer virus is one type of malware. Actually, malware are the program code which is unidentified by your computer system. Anything that is unidentified by the system is treated as malware for that computer system. So these viruses are the malicious program which is unidentified by your system and it harm to your computer system also. There are number of viruses. Some of the are boot sector virus, direct action virus, resident virus, multi-partage virus, polymorphic virus, override virus, specifier virus. So these categories are categorized as per their work to the computer system. Now let's see how they are different from one another. Boot sector virus. It affects the master boot record of the computer system. It is generally spread through removable media like floppy disks at that time. Now pen drive, CD, DVDs. So through this media, this boot sector virus are spreading over. Another category, direct action virus. It is also called non-resident virus. It get install or stay hidden in the computer memory. It stay attached to the specific type of file that it infect. It does not affect the user experience and system performance. Third category, resident virus. Resident virus get installed on the computer system. So it is quite different from direct action virus. And also it is very difficult to identify the virus. It is even difficult to remove a resident virus. This is another important challenge for antivirus system. So once this virus affect to the computer system, it become very difficult to remove. Another category, that is multi-parties virus. As the name, this virus spreads through multiple ways. It infects both the boot sector and executable files at the same time. Polymorphic virus. These type of viruses are difficult to identify with a traditional and antivirus program. This is because the polymorphic viruses alter its signature pattern whenever it's replicate. That means when it replicate, it forming next version or next effect copied to next one, then its signature is changed, it pattern is changed, therefore it is unable to identify by the various antivirus program. Likewise, overwrite virus. This virus has a typical properties. It deletes all the files that it infect. That means whenever it infect your system, it deleted the files. Therefore, it particularly delete the various files of operating system also. Therefore, your computer system unable to run in the next time. And the last category, that is space filler virus. It is also known as cavity viruses. This is called cavity viruses as they fill up the empty space. Space filler. That's why it is space filler. It fill the space, and therefore it damage the memory of the computer system. Other damaging is not seen here. Only it's eat the memory of the computer system. So this time is up to virus. In the next class, I will discuss about various antivirus made to protect from these viruses. Thank you. Thanks once again.